In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a donate button in WordPress. If you manage a website, adding a donate button can be a great way to support your cause, project, or organization. Whether you're a nonprofit, a content creator, or simply fundraising for a specific goal, WordPress makes it simple to integrate this feature directly into your site. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to set up a functional and secure donation button that connects to a payment platform, all without needing advanced technical skills. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to the official WordPress homepage. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the page and click on the login option. This will take you to the WordPress login interface. Now, for a quicker and easier login process, select the Continue with Google option. This allows you to log in using your Google account credentials. It's a great way to simplify authentication and save time. If you happen to manage multiple Google accounts, make sure you choose the one associated with your WordPress site. After logging in, you'll be directed to the main administrative area of your WordPress site. This is essentially your control center, where you can manage all aspects of your site. From here, locate the Quick Links section on your dashboard. When you find it, click on Edit Site. This will launch the Site Editor tool, which is where you can modify your site's layout and add new features. Think of this tool as your digital canvas. It's where you can customize the look and functionality of your website. Once inside the site editor, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on the plus icon. This is the button you'll use to add new content blocks to your site. A menu will appear, and you'll see a search field at the top of it. In that search field, type the word donate. This will filter the list of available blocks and make it easier for you to find the one we need. From the filtered options, select the donations form block. This block is specifically designed to provide a user-friendly way for visitors to make secure donations on your site. Once you've selected it, click on the block and it will be added to your page. With the block now placed on your site, you'll notice an option within it labeled Connect. This is where you'll link your payment processing platform. Go ahead and click on Connect to continue. WordPress primarily supports Stripe for handling donations, so the next steps will focus on setting up your Stripe account. If you already have a Stripe account, simply follow the prompts to connect it. You'll need to log into your Stripe account and complete any necessary verifications to ensure the connection is secure. On the other hand, if you don't have a Stripe account yet, don't worry. You'll be given the option to register for one during this step. Just follow the instructions to set up your account and complete any required verifications. Once everything is set, confirm the connection between Stripe and your WordPress site. Now that the payment platform is linked, it's important to test the donate button before making it live. Visit your site as a guest and go through the donation process to ensure everything works smoothly and as expected. This is a crucial step to avoid any issues when visitors try to use the feature. Finally, once you're happy with how everything looks and functions, save your changes. This will make the donate button live and ready to use on your WordPress site. And that's how you add a donate button in WordPress. By following this step-by-step guide, you've created a seamless way for your audience to support your cause. If you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to leave them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.